To ask someone what they would drink, you use Gaelic. Gaelic to Gaelic. Gaelic to Gaelic. What would you drink with it?
In the following scene, listen for Gaelic brown tea. Gaelic brown tea. I drink brandy.
Sjáan duske beak at de chalain. Gaelic to Gaelic.
Ga gaf mi Gaelic tablet.
Hesi, Gaelic to sa.
Gaelic brown tea agus American dried ginger, Archie.
To ask someone what type of a particular drink they would have, you use J whatever it is, a Gaelic. J fian a Gaelic do. J fian a Gaelic do. What wine would you drink?
To say you wouldn't believe something, or that it's hard to believe, you use chachrechetu. Chachrechetu an droch vlas ahir. Chachrechetu an droch vlas ahir. You wouldn't believe the bad taste it has.
To suggest that someone would or might give you something, you use nantorig. Nantorig in Gaelic liste fianna. Nantorig in Gaelic liste fianna. If the lad would give us a wine list.
Uitmit fian ille a hug. Uitmit fian ille a hug. We could choose another wine.
Gaan jullie fian sjo mahidjit. Ga grutje doen een droog wassen hit.
Goed met fian elang. Jam fian a Gaelic do.
Gaan jullie me kindjach. Nan dat ik een gilligoin liste fianne. Goed met fian ille hug.
To ask someone if they would drink or have something to drink, you use an álag. An álag to coffee can sugar. An álag to coffee can sugar. Would you drink coffee without sugar?
To respond that you would, you say Gaelic. Gaelic. Yes, I would.
To respond that you wouldn't, you say chanálig. Chanálig. No, I wouldn't.
In the following scene, you will hear Chanel pioch sugaracum. I haven't a peck of sugar. And Chanel giar banya acum. I haven't a drop of milk.
Hey, just stay Irish. John see you. Got the coffee?
Ga je hinak, tapalet.
Chanel peak sugar acum. And all of the coffee can sugar.
Gaelic.
Och, mi dullig Irish. Chach vetje tu sjo. Chanel giar banya acum na smoa. And all of the coffee do.
Gaelic, get the vin chidam lishe thag.
To say although something would, you use get a followed by a verb, such as viing, vig, gálig, and so on. Chanálig get a viing tirim lishe fag. Chanálig get a viing tirim lishe fag. No, I wouldn't, although I'd be dry with thirst.
To ask someone if they would like or enjoy something, you use an cortug brech buntate is glasreichriv. An cortug brech buntate is glasreichriv. Would you like trout, potatoes and vegetables?
To respond that you would like something, you say chortig. Chortig. Yes, I would.
To respond that you wouldn't like something, you say chachortug. Chachortug. No, I wouldn't.
Listen also for aníise sibh. Aníise sibh. Would you tell me?
Yn Cardiff brech ben hate is glasrig reif.
Chachortig, chatelumse brech.
Chachortig a dhumse na smá. Chatal miask.
Yn Cardiff fiol reif maha.
Chortig,
Yn níisig sibh go yn sios y fiole y biar leif.
she steek op jaar leumsa.
Chortig sin dhumse kutjach.
Chachortige roomse na smá. I wouldn't like it either. Aníisig sibh and shorsh a fiola a biarlev. Would you tell me the kind of meat you'd prefer?
She steak bear loomse. I'd prefer steak. In the next scene, listen for fire tusse na rutten a ha ye orn. Would you get the things we need?
Dan skriv het de Shia Dan skriv het de Shia if you would write it down.
Yn ffaid dus yn y rwydyn y ha ie orn y heimish, nŵr y fys dus y fale.
Jev, je ha a jorn.
Gylior steek som trúr, ben hate, cwrain, salin,
We gaan naar jaar na skrivet de schiese. Je gaan niet mee.
Kjars de heimish, skrive me shiase.
Vi gan a bear nan skriva tu shiase. It would be better if you would write it down. Giachinichi me. I'll forget.
To ask for more, you use barach. Sul an currach shiv barach bentate an trinjaracum. Sul an currach shiv barach bentate an trinjaracum. I wonder if you would put more potatoes on my plate.
To say you would lose something, you use chalin. Nan torin gut barach, chalin mopper. Nan torin gut barach, chalin mopper. If I were to give you more, I'd lose my job. The roundup is set in a works canteen.
Jigas shivan Jew.
Gai mi yn brathan agus salad. Tapalev. Sylen cwydych sif barach bendate yn drisio dagam.
Ga noring als in janef. Men dat in goed bark, galing moppen.
Uwech sin oafasach.
Unit 3 sa Shia, Unit 66. Thátike Unit 3 sa Shia. This unit introduces another way of saying you know or don't know someone. We have already used Jólacher in Series 2 to mean knowing someone. Jólacher implies a greater acquaintance with a person than Sanyago. Sanyago-i. Sanyago-i. I know her.
To ask someone if they know or are acquainted with someone else, you use ananya. Ananya gut tunyisambi a shaw. Ananya gut tunyisambi a shaw. Do you know anyone here?
To respond that you know someone, you say Sanya. Sanya. Yes, I do.
To respond that you don't know someone, you say Chananya. Chananya. No, I don't.
Wil een daadje zijn kaarten duwt.
Ha, ma. En dan moet een jevansjen.
Senja gokka mij. Shin Karen, she titje de hintja.
Yn na'n i gwt dyn sy'n bia sio.
Chamanje got dunje.
Chan na'n i gons y dyn yn ysmo.
Chananya gonsa dunyan na small. I don't know anybody either.
To say or suggest that someone knows somebody else, you use sanya with do or a form of do. Sanya dogianye. Sanya dogianye. Ian knows him.
Sanya guth Donella nachanya. Sanya guth Donella nachanya. You know Donella, don't you? In the following travel scenes, listen for Kimaraganichis Isene. Kimaraganichis Isene. How does he know him?
And chanil me ysmwynich gur anya. Chanil me ysmwynich gur anya. I don't think so.
En dan je goed drijven de visschel eeuwing.
Chananya, ach sanya to gianye,
En dan je gaat jaraf. Kom maar again je gesessen nee.
had de koppel gaan doen company.
Sa'n i gwt Donella. Na chan je.
Chanil me smúnich geranje. Katje wil je koppet.
Awn sy vanke. Ni'n foioch. Le falt fatte du.
Och, ha is de menish ko hou kielachig. Niet aan gasten gadiev.
Ha is a manish, kohawa kielachig. I know now who you mean. Nien Gasta Garirev. A really nice girl.
To query whether a person knows someone, you say, Nachanya gocht, or Nachanya goiv. Nachanya gocht tramat morich idir. Nach Anya gocht tramat morich idir. Don't you know Norman Murray at all?
To say you're sure someone knows someone else, you say, Ha me keenjoch gur Anya gut Michael a vach. Ha me keenjoch gur Anya gut Michael a vach. I'm sure you know his son, Michael. In the next scene, a member has been shown photos in a cycling club exhibition.
Agus sjel taramat mojach.
Y fe lesen am sy chlub sio.
Na gaan je goed taramat mojach ichit. Sjel en kem suya aking. Ha me kindjach gerenje goed Michel. E dach.
Oh, Sanje. Sanje go Michels gema.
She and Count Suya akin. He's our president. Nach Anya can also express surprise. Nach Anya gave me. Nach Anya gave me. Don't you know me?
To say one doesn't know someone, you use a form of chananyato. Chananyago kohakam. Chananyago kohakam. I don't know or recognize who you are. Literally, who I've got.
Kimmer a haasje wil nog. Wil een concert de korte dif.
Ha me dullich, chananya go ko hakem.
Ach, ist. Na gaan je geef me. Smish je Paul darach. Ha me a voedig uit een nieuw raad dif.
Och, Paul, gaf me lishgal. Dit a chor.
To say to someone that perhaps they know you, you say, Stocha guranye gucht me. Perhaps you know me. In the next dialogue, listen for Nach de vriend sheen richele. Didn't we speak to each other?
Gaf mal esjal. Stocha guranje gucht mi. Is me se shina ni gooi. Nach de vriend sheen richele et je gewavers dan een glasgu.
Oh, hallo, hine. Ha kunjak gemorst. Kemmer ha kuschen.
Kimara ha kushin. How are things?